This is my plan here to use the blue bathtub, and I've got the measurements there as you can see. What I need to do is build the structure here, and so that the bathtub can sit on top of the ledge there, and all the weight will be taken into the 4 posts into the ground. And then once that's done, I'm going to use some decking timber and just clad the outside so it looks nice. That's the plan for today. The old bathtub there, and I've got the materials just bought from Bunnings yesterday and some posts given by our neighbors. Right, time to get cutting. So I've got all of the timber pieces cut to size, and now just getting ready to assemble the structure. So we've decided to put it here in the front of our garden because it's north facing and we'll get a lot of sunlight. Have it. We're almost done. That's all the cladding, and it's put into position. Now what we need to do is bring the bathtub so it can sit within that structure. And that's the bathtub in place. I've just got a final little bit to do, putting a platform just on all 4 edges. Ta-da! It's done, and this is how the 2 of us look. Tired. It's been a week since we completed the raised bed garden, and today we are going to fill up with soil, and also I'm going to make an insect cover so that we can protect our plants from insects. Now for the soil, as you can see, we have lots of flowers on the ground that can all be put into the tub to be used, and we've got a lot of like cuttings, branches that we can use to fill up the tub, the raised bed garden. That would really bring the cost down. And also Jeff will be mowing the lawn, and then he will put in some of the green grass clippings. So let's get to work now. So this is my plan. I've got 6 bamboo stakes that are 1.8 meters long. So I'm going to create this sort of rectangular rhomboid shape, and then I can cover it with the insect mesh. The corners up here between the bamboos, but then it was still a bit too flexible, so added like glue. Hopefully it would make it a bit more rigid, waiting for it to dry. And right now I'm just going to lay the netting over it and then just sew it in the corners and the edges, and it should be ready to be used tomorrow.
Yeah.